Hi friends, my name is Aruna. Welcome to my channel. Today's topic is how do we grow our YouTube channel. So basically, there are few things which we need to keep in mind and which we have to keep working on it so that our YouTube channel grows. So the first and foremost important on any YouTube channel or for any YouTube channel to grow is the content. The content on YouTube channel is you have to make sure that your content is relevant to the niche what you have chosen. If your niche is education, it has to be your all your content, all your videos should be based on that. If your niche is something relevant to comedy, it should be relevant to comedy only. So it should not be diverting. Today I put one topic, tomorrow there is another topic, so the audience gets diverted and they feel ki, your content is not relevant to one particular topic and your ranking also goes down. So it's very important that you should make sure your content is relevant to your niche or relevant to the category what you are what you have chosen. So this is one. Second thing is the quality of the content. If your content is very good and if your quality is not good, then obviously people, if it is not pleasing to the eyes, they end up closing those videos. So it's very important that your quality of the content should be good and the kind of information what you share, even those are very very important. Second thing is that. And moving on to the next thing which is very very important, you have to keep promoting your YouTube videos on other social media platforms, which will help you in terms of getting more views and subscriber to your channel, exposure to your videos, to your channels, to your content in the other social media platforms. Now you have the options, the video what you upload on YouTube, the same thing can be shared on Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, or on the WhatsApp group. So you can leverage these medias or the platforms which are available. And after this, the next option what is there is in YouTube settings, you have the options of card. Card is nothing but when one video what you have uploaded, when person or the people is watching it, by the time that gets over, you have the options of showing another five videos in the form of cards which start showing at the end of the video, which will be relevant to that particular topic or any video from your own channel. So what happens if they find any of those any of those topics which are there on the cards interesting, and they end up clicking on those and watch that particular video also. So that way you are increasing the person's time spent on your channel or on YouTube. So that way again, it will you are helping your channel to grow. So if they are watching more than the person who had come just to watch one video, if you are making them to watch two or three video, and which is ultimately more watch time on your channel, which that also means more views on your channel. So this way you are helping, or it will help your channel to grow. So that is very very important. So every video what you upload, please add minimum is one and maximum is five cards which you can add. So that will be very very important in terms of increasing your watch time. Let me see what are the other points what I have made note. One thing is yeah, very very important. As your channel grows, you'll get a lot of interaction from the audience, so you have to be responding to them, you be connected with those audience, so you will get a lot loyal audience or subscribers for your channel in the long run. Because when it is on certain topics, maybe they will comment something good, you can just tell thank you or wish them back something, but there has to be some kind of engagement or communication from your side with your audience, which they will feel it's personalized, it's not just a machine on the other side. So that is the next point which will also help you in terms of increasing your subscriber base and the loyal subscribers to your channel. And the next thing is frequency. How often you put the content or upload the content on your channel, that many times that much of viewers you'll get on your channel. And that much it's like, if you upload one video of 10 minutes, that means your subscriber is watching your channel for 10 minutes. In the same period, if you had uploaded two videos, that means they are spending 20 minutes on your channel. So frequency is very very important. It's, you can make it a habit of uploading one video on a daily basis, or two videos on a weekly basis, depending on your ability to produce the content. So the frequency, the higher the frequency of uploading the video, the higher the chances or higher growth rate will be there. So that you can keep in mind. So you can produce more and more content and schedule your days and time to upload those videos or the content. And yes, I have mentioned in my previous video also that thumbnail is very very important. The reason is that, like, within a maximum, say, a month or two, your channel will have enough and more videos. It will become content rich channel. So what happens, YouTube will start showing your videos to other people. Like, say for example, there is a XYZ person and he is watching a video on the topic which you have uploaded. So what happens after, as the person is watching that particular video on video, so what YouTube starts showing similar video, content video of 5-6 other people. So now the person who is already watching a video, if they have to choose to watch another relevant video from 5-6 people, 5-6 different content of different channel. So now what will make that person to choose among the group? Now there are 5-6 video which is showing on the same content. So this thumbnail is the one which will help that particular person, or which will make that viewer to click on that particular page. So basically the job of a thumbnail is to get the audience or get the viewers to your channel. And obviously when the content is good, they will spend that much watch time on your channel, or give views to your channel, which will ultimately help in the growth of your channel. So these are few of the things which is very very important for any channel to grow. And yes, of course, if your content is good, and you can ask your audience, if you see in Google Analytics, the watch time what you get, it's like 60 to 70% is from your from the person who is not subscribed, and 30 to 35% is from the person who has subscribed. That means more and more people are watching your content who has not subscribed, but still they are watching your content, your video, because they are liking it. So you can ask those people to subscribe on your channel, so that way your subscriber count also will increase, which also will help your channel to grow. So these are few of the things which you can do without any great investment, or you can tell us no investment. And there are few other methods which you can apply to grow your channel faster with some investment. So I'm sure you guys must have heard of SEO and Google AdWords campaign. These are very very important tools which will help any channel to grow very faster. But yes, for those you need some kind of investment is required for that. But I feel before doing taking up these methods, that is your Google AdWords campaign, which are like paid, make sure your content is that your channel has enough sufficient number of videos or content, so that if the channel is has got a Google AdWords campaign, or you do a Google AdWords campaign, you get instead of getting just one view or 10 minutes watch time for your channel, you may get, if you have 50 videos, there are chances that out of 50 videos, the person who has clicked, whoever has come to your channel through Google AdWords campaign will be watching at least 4 or 5 videos. So you leverage on that particular thing. So in the initial stage, I don't recommend any of you guys to go ahead with Google AdWords campaign, or SEO can be done. That's less expensive compared to Google AdWords. So yeah, these are a few of the points, or 8 to 10 points, which are required by any YouTubers if they want their channel to grow. There are few things which are like paid versions, and there are few things which you can do absolutely free of cost. Google AdWords is very very important, and yes, it has to be done at least I can tell you, at least cross more than 40-50 videos. Only after that, and you get some traction. But for any channel, I feel 1,000 subscriber, or say 4,000 watch time or watch hours has to be done organically, because that will give you the confidence in terms of understanding whether the audience is liking your content or not. Simply without knowing or gauging your content, your quality of the content, the channel's weightage, if you simply invest money, it may not serve the purpose. So so it's better that you basic things are there, no? That is 1,000 subscriber and 4,000 watch hours. If you are able to achieve without investing money on it, that means the content is good, and it's worth spending or investing money to make that content available or reach to more number of people. Yeah, these are the things which I feel it's very important for any YouTubers to grow their channel. Hope this information is useful for all of you guys. Thank you for watching this. Bye bye.